adding flowers around your garden can be a creative and enjoyable experience. Typically, flowers are seen at ground level, but the use of planters can add a whole other dimension to your landscape. For a natural planter look, why not use a log to bring those flowers closer to your nose? In this video, I'll show you how to build a planter out of an old log. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. This log has been sitting in my backyard for several years. It has been patiently waiting for me to pay it some attention. Today is the day. Let's do this, Mr. Log. I need to cut out the top portion of this log so I can add some soil and then flowers. The easiest way to do this would be with a chainsaw, but I don't have one. I'll try several methods, starting with the circular saw. Not very effective, so I'll switch to a drill with a 1-inch spade bit. This technique seems to work, but it is slow progress. I'm drilling numerous holes around the area of material I want removed. Now, I'll angle the drill to tear up as much of the leftover wood as possible. This bar and hammer technique didn't work very well either, so I went back to the drill and spade. Like all outdoor planters, it is important to put in drain holes to prevent your plants from drowning. I'm making 2 holes on downward angles to allow the rainwater to drain out effectively. This chisel will even out the top edge and smooth out the walls. The last step involves cleaning up the rim and any remaining rough spots. This isn't actually necessary, as the planter will be filled with soil anyways, but it gives me a chance to break out the angle grinder and wire brush attachment. Be sure to have both your face shield and dust mask on for this step. Okay, time to relocate back to the garden. Before I add any flowers, I'll do a water test to make sure those drain holes are up to spec. Yup, leaks like a sieve. Time to fill my new planter. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.